Sanibonani babukele emakhaya, ngiyanibingelela nonke emakhaya. Wavala umuntu, kwaphuma umuntu waya eSwaziland, waya Zimbabwe, waya eMalawi, wathatha imali evala wena, eyovala umndeni wakini, ephehla amanzi amnyama. Ngithi mina futhi uyophinda uvulwe futhi umuntu kaNkulunkulu. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uSathane unezikhonzo zakhe. Imini nobusuku ziyasebenza. Njengamanje kunemizi imisamo yakhona ingcolisiwe, kwaphehlwa amanzi amnyama. Kunalento okuthiwa umdliwa, kuthathwa umuntu wakini wadliwa, usebuya la ekhaya, akabuyi eyidlozi elihle lokukhanya. Usebuya udlibhiza yonke into yala egcekeni. Abantu bayakhona ukuvusa umuntu emathuneni, bamthathe bamphendule, abuye azochitha yonke into esibongweni sakhe. Ngithi njengamanje nishisa impepho, niyahlaba no-answer. Nangu umprofeti wabantu osebenza ngobizo lobu-Afrika. Mina ngishaya inja, kuvela umnikazi wami, ngishaya ikati. Dr. X lo prophet wabantu, Dr. X, ngithi lento oyifunayo ngizokunika. Lento abakufake yona unebhadi wena, unobumnyama wena, kunezinto ohamba nazo, ngizoyikhipha lento. Ngithi mina kumnyama ufaka ama-CV, lutho awutholi answer. Uthola indoda ikushiya, uthola umfazi akushiya, into zakho zimnyama. Umuzi kayihlo uyafa ukhona. Ngithi nangu umprofeti wabantu, umqaqi wenkinga nomvuli, umvuli. Ngithi mina ekuseni namhlanje sinike isikhathi zonke inkonzo engizoyimemezela, ungaphuthelwa ukuza kuzo. Ngithi ngizoyikhipha lento, lamanzi amnyama, lomdliwa, ubuthakatho bafakwa ungakazalwa, abanye bazalwa negazi elibi. Ngithi mina nazi indawo zonke engizoyihambela njengamanje. Nasi isimemezelo lapho. Ngithi mina mhla ka 22 February ngiza lapho eJozini, mhlabuyalingana Jozini eMsiyane Hall. Mhla ka 22 February ngiza lapho eJozini eMsiyane Hall. Abaphuma abantu baseJozini ngomhla ka 1 March. Durban. Bantu baseDurban ngizovula i-office lapho eDurban ngokusemthethweni mhla ka 1. Selikhona i-office, abantu bayithola insebenzo. Wena oseDurban namaphethelo phuthume officeini likamprofeti, ngizalimemezela khona manje ukuthi likuphi. Kodwa mhla ka 1 March abaphuma abantu bonke eDurban, ngizobe ngithandazela, kuyobe kudilika imikhukhu yobuthakathi, kuyobe kusha abathakathi. Prophet Dr. X usethelekile lapho eDurban mhla ka 1 March. Abaphuma bonke abantu, inkonzo yokubhidlizwa kwemsamo yobumnyama. Zonke lezi inkonzo yokubhidlizwa kwemsamo yobumnyama. Ngicela ukutshela, wazi ukuthi umsamo wakini mangabe ungcolile ngeke niphumelele ekhaya. Mhla ka 1 March ngiza lapha eDurban, ngifuna unengane edaka utshwala, ephuza utshwala, edla ama-drugs, phatha impahla zayo. Zonke lezi inkonzo. Mhla ka 15 March ngiza lapho eMpumalanga, Piet Retief eKempville Stadium. Ngo-9 ekuseni kuyobe kuSaturday. Zonke lezi inkonzo kuyobe kuSaturday ngiza lapho. Mhla ka 15 March ngiza lapho eMpumalanga ePiet Retief eKempville Stadium eMandiyeni ngo-9 ekuseni. Ngomhla ka 22 March umprofeti uzobe lapha eHarrismith, bantu baseHarrismith eNtabazwe Multipurpose Hall. Ngizobe ngilapho eNtabazwe, abanye bathi eNtabazwe Multipurpose Hall, abanye bathi Harrismith Multipurpose Hall. Ngizobe ngilapho eNtabazwe Qwaqwa ngo-9 ekuseni. Abaphuma abantu abagulayo ngizobe ngigcobisa abantu ngamafutha, ngithi 2025 makuvuleke ithonga lakho, makuvuleke izinto zakho, makuvuleke inhlanhla yakho. Mhla ka 5 April ngiza lapho kwaNongoma, bayede wena wendlovu, ngiza lapho mhla ka-5 April kwaNongoma Multi-Purpose Hall. KwaNongoma Multi-Purpose Hall. Zonke lezi inkonzo inkonzo yokubhidlizwa kwemsamo yobumnyama. Ngomhla ka-3 May ngiza lapho Emelo eKasim Park Hall. Bantu base Emelo Mpumalanga ngiza lapho Emelo Kasim Park Hall ngo-9 ekuseni until 5 ntambama. Ngomhla ka-17 ngiza lapho eMtubatuba. Bantu base Mtubatuba, inkosi nikhumbulile, ngiza lapho eMtubatuba. Tubatuba Town Hall. Tubatuba Town Hall. Ngiza lapho mhla ka-17 zika May ngiza eMtubatuba. Mhla ka-31 May ngiza lapho Volkrust. Bantu base Volkrust ngiza lapho mhla ka-31 edrobheni phakathi Volkrust Town Hall. Bantu base Thekwini umprofeti usevule i-office lapho. Niye Durban Station eduze ne-Durban Station kuMngeni Road. Lapha Mngeni Center ibhilidi lakhona number 32. Fona njengamanje udinga insebenzo, fona njengamanje liseduze neMpumelelo Security kanye neBongumusa Security. Sibongumusa Security. Ngithike zonke lezi inkonzo abaphuma abantu. Inkonzo yokubhidlizwa kwemsamo yobumnyama. Sobe sikhipha imdliwa, sobe sikhipha othokolosho, sobe sikhipha lento ekuhluphayo. Kuzovuleka into zakho, bazothola imisebenzi abantu. Wena ozobe ukhona ngiphathela ama-document, phathi ID, phathi CV, phathi impahla zengane yakhe ephuza utshwala ehleze esipotini edla iwunga, idla ama-drugs, phatha impahla zayo. Ngithi bonke abantu ngizobe ngiphethe zonke izinsebenzo. Kungenzeka use-Cape Town, onke ama-provinces nensebenzo siyakuphosela. La ngizobe ngiphethe ivimba moya, nali ivimba moya livula amaphupho. Zonke indawo engizoyihamba ngiphathele imbewu yakho ka-R400. Kunensebenzo entsha engikuphathele yona. Ngiphethe lapho uzofutha unhlanhla eningi. Ngiphethe isishwasho sokukorobha. Kunamagundwane ongawatholisisi kahle, kunezinto egijima ekhaya. Nasi isishwasho, imbewu yakho ka-R400. Wena odinga u-order, fona njengamanje, siyakhona ukukuphosela njengamanje. Kanti wena uhlushwa ama-ulcer, uhlushwa umhlume. Njengamanje nansi insebenzo, umaphilisa lo. Fona njengamanje mntaka baba siyakuphosela, umaphilisa lo. Ngizobe ngimphethe zonke lezi ndawo. Fona uthole ulwazi njengamanje. Nansi yamadoda. Ndoda akusahambi kahle. Ekhaya sekumuncu. Ekhaya sekuyaliwa. Umama usenolaka awazi liqhamukaphi. Kanti indoda akusahambi kahle. La ngiphethe uqonda thu wamadoda, into yamadoda. Fona njengamanje ufuna ulwazi, ngizobe ngiphethe yonke lensebenzo. Fona njengamanje, zobe zikhona zonke iwasho omkhucululi. Ngithi wena uhlala kodwa udinga ukubona umprofeti kuma 1-on-1, phatha ingubo yokulala. Mawufika eGoli sifonele, ikhona imoto zomprofeti ezizokulanda zikubeke la, akhona umprofeti. Ukubona umprofeti 1-on-1 R500. Ngithi zonke lezi inkonzo umprofeti uzobe enani. Ngizobe ngithandazela, ngidiliza ama-altar obumnyama, ngidiliza imisamo yobumnyama. Awusaphuphi, ngifuna befundisi, ngifuna abathandazi. Ngizobe ngiphakamisa ithunya zonke lezi ndawo. Ngithi abaphumeke bonke abantu, fona njengamanje. Umprofeti lo ngishaya inja, kuvele umnikazi wayo. Ngiyabonga, ngiyalebuha, ngiyanrata. Sanibonani makhawe endaweni zonke. Ngo-Good Friday naso esokugcina, Good Friday sizobe sela ngimema onke amaqhawe nabantu bonke inkonzo yokukhanyisa amakhandlela yokuqala kulonyaka. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uma kumnyama emsamo into zakho zizoba mnyama. Inkonzo wonke iyoqala inkonzo ngoLesihlanu mhla ka-19, 3 days, mhla ka-19 and 20. Mhla ka-19 and 20 sonke Good Friday, bathi Good Friday sobe sihlanganela sinenkonzo yani yokulayita amakhandlela yokuqala onyakeni ka2025 ngibiza onke amaqhawe omhlaba wonke eindaweni zonke phatha ingubo yokulala ungakhohlwa ngiyanithanda kakhulu ndogwaja kagesi Dr X kuyenzeka umuntu
May happen.
lapha kulomsamo wasezulwini
This altar of the heavenly realm
umuntu kuyenzeka ahlabelele
may
lengoma
happen. Someone will sing.
athi sisuliwe izono zami
The tears are wiped off, including my
nokukhohlakala
trespasses, corruption,
nokungcola
filthiness,
kodwa zibe ingasulwanga
yet are not yet wiped off.
abanye phakathi wenu beze
People
lapha
among you, they came in.
abanye bazoyibonakalisa ukuthi bagqoke kanjani
To show off with their attires,
abanye bazoyibonakalisa ukuthi bayokuhleva
show
kanjani
how technical they are,
abanye bazoyibonakalisa kubantu ukuthi bahle
show
kanjani
how beautiful and handsome they are.
abanye bagqoke
They're
kahle
wearing smart,
bafaka impahla ezidurayo
expensive attire,
abanye bafaka ama perfume amahle
expensive deodorants,
abanye baphethe amafoni amahle
expensive phones.
abanye bazele nje ukuzobukwa
Just
ukuthi
people
ngigqoke
came
kanjani
here to show off about their attires.
angazi ke ngaphakathi kwakhe enhlizweni yakho
Inside your heart,
ukuthi injani
what is happening?
umuntu uyaba kule ndawo
Person could be present,
ahlabelele enze yonke
sing,
into
participate,
njengoJudas Iscariot
like a guy called Judas.
owayehamba
He
noKristu
was with Jesus.
kodwa inhliziyo
His
kaJuda
heart
yayingekho right
was not righteous.
ngoba uJuda wayenezinto
He had some other things,
nezindlela
behaviors,
indlela zakhe
his behavior,
ezingalunganga right
negative attitude.
kuyenzeka umuntu abe khona kulolu hambo
Person will be
nasezulwini
here on the
izinto engizaziyo
heaven.
lezo
I'm aware of those things.
kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu abe khona kule ndlela
Present on this
uzuthi
mission.
kuyo le ndlela kanti izenzo zakhe
His or her actions.
omunye kuyenzeka kunomsamo wasezulwini
On the altar, yeah, of the
Njengoba
heavenly
nomsamo
realm,
wasekhaya.
altar at home as well, yeah.
abantu bayaguqa emsamo
People will kneel there on the
Bathathe
altar
imbuzi
with
enkulu.
a God like this.
bathethe
They'll
bakhulume
converse.
nokhulumayo okhulumela umndeni onicelela inhlanhla uyakhuluma ngolimi lwakhe kodwa inhliziyo yakhe wena azokucelela yikho kuwe
It's not with
sebenza moya
you. We are not in harmony. Holy Spirit operate.
abanye bakhona phakathi kwenu bakhona kule ndawo baba lezinsizwa
Gentlemen as well. Yeah.
kodwa inhliziyo zabo azikho kulomsamo
They
wasezulwini
are dissected. They are not on this altar.
abanye bakhona ngemzimba
Through their body, they are here.
uma sikalungisa inhliziyo zethu ngisho emakhaya lasisuka khona akekho ngeke ayithole
No
inhlanhla
one cannot gain.
inkinga khona isenhliziyweni
It's within your heart.
abantu baye emsamo
People approach the
Bayoguqa emsamo.
altar to kneel down there.
bacabanga ukuthi ithunywa zinjengabo
They are identical.
abantu abalele othulini
People
lomhlaba
sleeping there.
abanjengawe
They are not
ngoba
like us.
babona yonke isecret
They
yakhe
can see
esenhliziyweni
everything within your heart.
noNkulunkulu asiphambi kwakhe namhlanje
Oh, that's why
abanye bayithatha kancane le
Take it for
ndawo
granted here.
abanye sebajwayela
People are used to this
abanye
place.
banolimo
Some
olubi
people they have very bad
abanye
lingo.
inyawo
They
zabo
are approaching.
izenzo zabo
Their actions.
abayihamba mabengekho kule ndawo
Not within the church.
Zingamanyala.
They are immoral.
makabheka uJehova
God look at
esasweni
them. On the
likamoya
realm of the spirit.
ubheka indlela zakho
Your approach.
abheka inhliziyo yakho
Scrutinize your heart.
where you coming from
Uvelaphi? What is your
njengoba lapha namhlanje uhlini umuhlu nendwele ezinhle umuhlu uhamba ngemoto enhle umuhlu ugqoke kahle
good attire and all.
kodwa umbuzo
Question is,
uNkulunkulu awubuzayo
God is asking you,
injani inhliziyo yakho
how is your heart?
ungabe lento izele lapha ngoba sithunyiwe masila
We are delegates.
kunebutho elikhulu
There is a
ongaliboni kule ndawo likamoya
visible spiritual
kuneyithunywa
people.
zakini
There's
ezigcwele
some
ngaphakathi
people that are inside the church.
uthi umbuzo
Question is,
inhliziyo yakho
your heart,
injani
how is it?
ithi ingoma kababa inkosi
The hymn
yamaNazaretha
of the Nazarites,
isazelo singishiye ngedwa
guilty conscience.
kunabanye phakathi kwenu
Among you, there are people
abakasarenda abakavumi
not yet
abanye
surrendered.
babulala abantu
Some people
abanye
kill
bantshontsha
people. Some
abanye
rejected
balala
you.
nabafazi babantu abanye bahlukanisa imizi yabantu ngolwimi
Through their tongue.
lolu limo oluncane
Very tiny,
luyisitho sokungalungi
evil part of your body.
imndeni ixabene ngalolu lwimi lwakho
There is a conflict.
abantu abazwani ngolimi
People are not in good terms.
kunemshado ehlukene ngelimi
Kunabafana
kunabafana baqabanisile ngolimi
confused because of the tongue.
umndeni uqovekile
There is a
Ngolimi
fiasco
lwakho.
there because of your liver.
enisazelo siyakutshela enhlizweni
For the guilt.
ukuthi umndeni
In your
uqovekile
There is a fiasco there because of
Namanga.
yourself. Lies.
namanga
Lies.
kukhona abantu abakhona
People that are
abanganalo
present.
iqiniso
They are not
kunabantu
genuine. People
abangaphumeleli
are not succeeding
kule ndawo esikuyona
on this place
ngenxa nje yamanga
because of fabricated
kunabantu abaye
lies.
emsamo
People are
bayoshisa
approaching
impepho
to bend the
phambi kwayithunywa
the presence of the
kodwa
messenger
ngaphakathi
within themselves.
umanga
They are liars.
lalani bakwethu
Listen, fam.
uma sifuna ukuvusa imizwa
If
baba
you want to
sikhulume
reconstruct,
namaqiniso
let us be
ungabi
genuine.
indoda
Don't be a man.
engelaqiniso yiba neqiniso nakumkakho yiba neqiniso ngisho ebudlelaneni bakho yiba nefaith
You must be faithful.
ngoba uNkulunkulu weqiniso
God of fairness.
abanye baye emsamo
And people are approaching the
Bayoshisa impepho.
altar to bend the
kodwa
incense.
bazwane
Where
ekhaya
they are not in good terms.
umuntu azashisa impepho ashisela abantu egcekeni ngoba egcotshiwe egcekeni
One is anointed.
kodwa wazi kahle ukuthi lento ayenzayo akekho kuyona lo muntu akushisa impepho uyamzonda
He hate the person.
hayi ngintshela imfihlakalo
It's a secret I want to disclose.
eswaya abantu bangatholi
People, they
impumelelo
don't get
sometimes emsamo
success
ngoba
at
abanye
all.
bashiselwa abafowabo abangazwani nabo emsamo
They are not getting along with their sibling brothers there by the altar.
mina ngikhuluma iqiniso lenjalo lapha
The genuine
take it or leave it
It's a gospel
and angithembisi
truth.
ngeqiniso
I don't say
and
it.
ngaphuma futhi emanyaleni
Repeated immorality.
ngiyakuzwela wena esabhukuda kumanyala
Still immoral.
manyala ikhebeleshe
Fornication.
amanyala amadoda
Fornication.
ongawazi nokuthi avuka kuphi
Where do they come
amanyala aseyibhotini ematshwaleni la ubhuquza khona ubanjwe
in touch
abantu ongabazi nokuthi babuyaphi
don't even know their whereabouts. Where do they come from?
ziphi ithunywa zakho
Where
wemntanami
are your messengers, kid of mine?
uma ngingakhuluma iqiniso
I
phakathi
don't
kwenu
propagate the truth to you.
esizweni likamoya ngeke ngingene nami
I'll not be allowed.
ngoba ithunywa ezinilethe la
Messengers, they brought you
awekho amadoda amangaka abekho baba abangaka abangeza kule ndawo for nothing ubiziwe mawula ukuthi kumele ulungise umndeni wakini kumele uganwe ube indoda kumele wondle umndeni wakho kumele wondle abantwana bakho kumele uvuse umuzi kayihlo kumele uvuse umuzi kanyoko
must reconstruct the home of your parents.
into awuphumeleli ngoba awakadivorce
Awakahlukanisi.
awakahlukani namanga awudivorce lamanga kuqala
You better diversify your
bese udivorce lamadoda owathandayo ngoba awunayo indoda unamadoda
men, not one man.
ushaya ngathi uNkulunkulu phambi kwakho njengawe akafani nawe uyakubona yonke
God is very unique.
nowakhipha isisu
Terminated pregnancies.
isazelo
Guilty con.
uyathi akumnandi kuma kule ndawo
Very good. Nice.
ungenanembeza
without
ene
guilty.
kumnandi kuma emsamo wakini uguqile
Kneeling there.
inhliziyo yakhe ifree
Your heart is in
ungathi mawuthi qalaqala kube khona umuntu inhliziyo evela ikhuphuke engathi ungaphalaza
You like a person want to pass on. Vomit.
iqiniso
The fire
liyamkhulula umuntu
is releasing someone.
indaba abantu abathola isibusiso emsamo wasekhaya ngoba baya emsamo yasekhaya kunezinto abangayidivozile abangahlukene nazo ezingamanyala.
Those things are unethical.
Nathi kunomama abasajola
Some women are having side
nathi abasikhuluma la
paramours and
kunobaba la
father.
engathi ba right
They are upright here.
babuye
They
emanyaleni
come from immorality of fornication.
makuhlatshelelo
Sinner.
nawo phakathi wathi yebo Nkosi ngisakuwe nayavuma athi ngidalule awukonkoku wami mangisise Nkosi yami athi sisuliwe uthi sisuliwe unamanga ayisuliwe ngoba isolo
The trespass.
ubesemanyaleni isolo ubesemjolweni isolo.
Yesterday.
Where you coming from?
Ovela.
Uhambe phi?
Where have you been?
Ubuyaphi?
Where did you go?
Zinjani inyawo zakho?
How are your feet?
Zinjani izandla zakho? Uphatheni ngesandla sakho? Njengoba namhlanje uright.
Today you are upright.
Izolo ubuphetheni.
What did you possess here?
Khona abantu abahamba bahamba lolu hambo njengoJudas Iscariot
Like Judas.
owahlenyuka
He
noJesu
was up and down with Jesus.
ekuyipresent
Ekhona
esebungcweleni
righteousness.
kodwa inhliziyo yakhe
His heart.
ngoba indaba isenhliziyweni
Things within your heart.
abanye phakathi kwenu
People
njengoba bekhona
as a
banabafowabo banodadewabo
sibling sisters.
lalani
Listen,
engikutshela
let me inform you.
ma unomuntu ongazwanayo
Don't get along with somebody.
zama ukwenza uxolo
Try to reconcile.
uleka uxolo
Try in
ulenzile
your power
manje
to
ngamukele
reconcile.
uxolo
Not
lakho
acceptable.
usuyigezile wena
At least you're
sekusele kulabo bantu
Those people
abangalamukela uxolo lakho
accept your apology.
ifini phakathi
In the
emndenini
family as
ifini
well.
phakathi emndenini
In the family.
akuba bonke abantu abazokuphanda
And they'll favor you.
mama ngalilanga ujikelwa
Don't be
umfweni
taken about. Your sibling will
Uphuma
turn
la
against
esiswini.
you. Sibling brother I'm talking about.
kube ikati umfweni
Like rivals.
owavundla naye emathunjini dadweni
Sibling sister.
owavundla naye
A sibling.
ngiyazi ukuthi khona abantu abake bathakathane kanti baphuma esiswini esodwa
They come from the same group of family.
uyabona abantu izifike ekuthakatheni ngoba bafuna ukuhlambuluka enhlizweni zabo ngoba umuntu ufika ahlala nento ngaphakathi enhlizweni lento bese yakhela
That thing will build up.
amzonda umuntu ambone ephila egcinela abesedaka engizame enye izaba ahamba
Alternative
ayofuna
now. Let
umuthi
me
ke
go
manje
and look for the
khona
source
abantu
of the
abaloya
child's
ngenhliziyo
People
abathakatha ngenhliziyo othi mama uthi uthenga imoto mawuqala uthenga izitini ekhaya bese kuvuka ngaphakathi enhlizweni athi omunye sengathi ngephele leli
You cannot finish construction.
ungakhohlwa ukuthi umuntu
Don't
lala
forget.
engitshela mntanami
Let me tell you much.
ayikho into emnandi ukuba kule ndawo
Very pleasant, it
uma
will
nje
be,
umsulwa wazi ukuthi
Russia.
okwami okungimele
What
nje
is
engikubonayo
mine? What I can see.
angigweme intuthwane
Let me
sengaba
avoid
isilwane
the insect.
ungaphiki nabantu abakhuluma kabi ngawe
People that are
ngoba ngeke
criticizing
bakusendawo
you, they will not take you
abantu
anything.
bayohlala
They'll
bekhuluma
always be
isho kanjani ingoma kaSoyisini
Why does
ithi
music
bayohlala
play?
bekhuluma
They'll always be talking.
ithi bayathetha abantu noma ungenza kahle noma ungenza kabi abantu bayakhuluma ngaphandle
Very talkative outside there.
uyabona la kulomhlaba
World of mountain,
la kulomhlaba wesona lomhlaba
physical
wezono
world, physical world of sin.
ngamthemba umuntu
Don't trust no man.
usikhathepha muntu
Don't
muthu
trust.
molifatsini
Here on the planet
muthu
Earth,
kimuthu
a human being is a human
umuntu
being.
uyakunika ukudla kanti
Can give
uyakubulala
you
ngokudla
food, yet he's poisoning you.
la umuntu uyafika kuwena
He will come to you.
ngibhashop angisho bancisha abantu imali
Do not be
kodwa
still.
umuntu uyafika
Man.
ezoboleka imali kanti hayi ngoba ezoyiboleka uyayithatha uyibhekise
You're
eMozambique
taking somewhere
uyibhekise eSwazini
outside countries like Swaziland. In a,
imali yakho ayikho imali yakho njengamanje waboleka umuntu ubona imali ayisahlali imali yakho isivala eSwaziland kodwa ngoba ukhona kule ndawo
present here.
siyaqasha lawo mimoya wathi yalaba
Yeah, Baba. Yes, Father.
umuntu kafike azonana impuphu kanti hayi ngoba ezoyinana ulandele nje ukuthi uzovala ukudla ukuthi uyakuthenga kuvele kuphele la ekhaya
It will just finish very early, at a very early stage.
kukhona abanye phakathi kwenu izinto zayihamba
They
kahle
used to be
Baba namabhizinisi.
well off with some businesses and all.
kodwa kwahamba zehla
No.
wabona
They
zehla
depreciated, they
wabona
diminished,
zehla
they diminished,
awazi
they depreciate. You don't know what's the motive. You don't know what's the motive
Kanti
behind.
problem.
Inke,
kimuthu
he's a human being.
molifatsini
Yeah, on the planet now.
sikhathepha muthu
Don't trust neither. Not there.
babo sisiwe abathembele kusini bona bayosusa umusa waphakade babo sisiwe niyazi ukuthi kunabanye phakathi kwenu abangaphumeleli
They are not succeeding
ngenxa yabantu kade bebathemba
because of the people they trusted.
abanye bayopha enhlizweni
Are bleeding within the hearts.
abanye abathola ibantwana
They're barren.
bavalwe ngabantu
They
kade
are not for
bebathemba
the people that
abanye abathola imishado
they cannot get married.
bavalwe ngabantu
Not
kade
for the people.
bebaqhawula
They used to shake
abanye banamadliso bayagula banay'chitho
poisonous substance
ngabantu
and
abaseduze
else. People who are around you.
namhlanje kunemishado ebhidlikile
Today, marriage is
ngolimi
destroyed.
kunabantu abangangenelani
Some
ngolimi
people are not
lolu limo
protected because of
oluncane
very tiny part
Kodwa
of your
luyisitho
body. It's the
sokungalungi.
only part that is unrighteous sometimes.
kunabantu abaxoshiswa emsebenzini
Chased away from
ulimi
God because of the lingo.